systems in rural areas using technology tools to bridge connectivity and productivity. The robot that we have created is a working prototype that can be used to spray insecticide, pesticide, fertilizer and weedicide. It also decreases the manual intervention, increases productivity rate and helps to make villages smart and well connected with technology. The main motive of introducing this autonomous robot is to reduce the reliance on manual labor. Now let's move further and see what modifications we have done in our project. We have added multiple sensors to make it a multi-purpose robot. So without wasting your time, now let's take a quick look on the sensor that we have used in the modification of this robot. We have used the raindrop sensor, the soil moisturizer sensor, the PIR motion sensor and the temperature and humidity sensor. The components used in the modification of this robot are Node MCU, different types of sensors, breadboard and wires. The Node MCU works as a brain in this whole setup in which required code is fed. The multiple sensor is connected to Node MCU through wires and breadboard, and the Node MCU is getting the power supply through the power bank. Soil moisture sensor measures current soil moisture. It will help to reduce or enhance irrigation for optimum plant growth. It will help the farmer to detect the volumetric water content of soil, and if the water content is below the required level, then it will give a notification on the Android phone that water your plants. This will help the farmer in scheduling water supply and distribution much more efficiently. As described earlier, now let's see how it will work. So here we have created an application in the Blink app for controlling all the sensor. So here is the reading of the soil moisture sensor. As you can see, the sensor is not in the water, and after detecting the soil moisture, it will send the notification in the. So here you can see the notification. The PIR motion sensor acts as a watchdog for the farmer. It will detect the motion, and if there is any kind of motion detected, it will send the notification to the farmer, and this sensor is added for the security purpose. So now let's see the working of the PIR motion sensor. Here we switch on the PIR motion sensor and created a motion in front of PIR motion sensor. And here you can see we have received a notification that the protect your field, someone in the field now. So here we click on OK. Humidity and temperature sensors measures and report the moisture and air temperature of the surrounding environment. High humidity and mild temperature make it ideal for fungi to attack plants, while low humidity and high temperatures increases fire danger. So it becomes very important for the farmer to keep a check on the humidity and temperature level. And our project is going to help them for the same. It will also help them to decide which type of crop they should grow according to humidity and temperature. So here you can see the reading of the temperature and the humidity sensor in the gauge. The raindrop sensor detects the rain, as many a time farmer faces the crop failure due to uncertain rain. Their whole crop gets ruined. So mainly this sensor is added in a robot to protect the farmer for severe crop failure. Now let's move further to its working. Here we have a raindrop sensor. Now let's put some drops over it. And here in the app we will switch on the raindrop sensor, and here you can see the notification. This robot has a number of advantages. For example, it reduces the health related problems which is caused by the use of various chemicals. This is very beneficial for saving the time of the farmer. It is economically feasible, and along with this, it also increases productivity rate. It can also help the farmer to do work in any season and in any condition. It can also be used for surveillance and weed detection by fitting up a camera using Arduino Uno. Therefore, our robot is a multi-purpose robot and has a bright future in agriculture. At last, we just want to say thank you to everyone who guided and supported us, and also for giving us such a beautiful